Now, when it comes to Hart versus Hercules, Hart's a little bit cheaper at $89 normally versus $97 for Hercules. Both kits come with battery, charger, and belt clip. You also get a bag with Hart. As far as the weight goes, they're actually two of the heavier tools that I've tested. Hercules is a little bit more compact, but is heavier at 1,465 grams versus 1,450 for Hart. I think the Hart battery feels more modern, has better build quality. It's a little easier to connect and remove versus Hercules. To me, that's the only thing that feels cheap on the Hercules Impact Driver is the battery. Nice thing is both of these have rapid chargers, so you don't have to wait that long to charge back up. One advantage with Hercules is you get 3 different modes or speeds depending on how much power you want, where you don't have that with Hart. Now when it comes to the lights, it's down at the bottom for Hart. You've got 3 up top for Hercules. These two are definitely some of the best as far as how bright the lights are, with Hercules being a little bit brighter. They're both delayed after you release the trigger, but Hercules stays on a little bit longer. Nice thing is you've got a bit holder on the back for Hart, where you don't have that with Hercules. You will also have a quick change collet where you can easily pop the bit in and out with one hand. On Hart, the bit just pops right out with Hart, but with Hercules, you do have to use 2 hands to release the bit. As far as how loud they are, it's actually pretty close, with Hercules at 90.4 decibels versus 91.6 decibels for Hart, up to 2,200 inch-pounds of torque. Hart has 3,900 IPM versus 4,400 for Hercules, and then a max of 3,000 RPM for Hart versus 3,600 for Hercules. Now, usually Hercules can drive 3-inch deck screws faster, but sometimes Hart actually wins, so it's actually really close. Both of these are very close in power and features. I actually think Hart might be just a tad better build quality, but I think with Hercules giving you more power, plus the 3 different modes or speeds to choose from, gives it the slight advantage. If you're wanting to expand your tool collection, you're probably going to want to go with Hart, at least right now. I know Hercules has announced they're coming out with quite a few more tools for 2026. It may just come down to personal preference. I would say my top 3 out of testing so far is probably going to be Craftsman, Hart, and Hercules. But again, in my testing, when comparing Hart and Hercules, I would have to give the slight edge to Hercules.